Hey guys, hope you are all happy and healthy. So I'm looking to do a quick little demo here of how you can use Boxscore to take your workout programming online. I know there's a lot of people who have been running CrossFit gyms or group fitness facilities and did everything on the whiteboard, and then they woke up, a couple weeks ago, and that had been stripped away from them, and you're kind of scrambling a little bit to figure out what to do. So I wanted to kind of give back to the community, see if I could help out a little bit. So we're offering Boxscore free for a limited time. Not sure how long it'll run, but to try to get us through this whole COVID situation. And so I kind of wanted to show how you could quickly launch an online program, so you can continue to give value to your athletes in a pretty easy and straightforward way. So when you log into Boxscore, this is kind of what you'll see. So there's a ton of stuff here, but we're going to focus mostly on what it looks like to launch an online program. So we're looking at two main ways. The first thing you can do is just have a public workout program that anybody can see. And then the second way we're looking at is to import your members from another software, whether you're using ZenPlanner or PushPress, Wodify, or something in between. And this will limit it to only members being able to see it. So yeah, let's get started. So in Boxscore, you have the concept of a membership tier. So you could actually charge different tiers for different type of memberships. In this case, we're looking at just making a free membership. Because the assumption is your members are already paying through some other third-party software, so you're going to continue to use that. So let's just have a free membership. So now that we created it, let's create a workout program. So you can see I have a couple here already, but we're just going to make a new one. So this is where you can make it public. That would be anybody with a Boxscore account could see it. We're going to make it members only. So only people who have an active membership to your gym can see it. So this is going to be good for, if you're a CrossFit gym and you are having your workout of the day and now you're giving at-home workouts, and you don't want to post on Instagram, right? If you post on Instagram, anybody can see it. It's hard to prove that value proposition. So if you keep it all behind a paywall, this is ideal for that. So we're going to make it members only. They don't have to sign up for class, obviously, and we'll just call this free. And we'll put it in the membership tier we just created. And you see now we have a new workout program. It's visible to members only. And so at this point, we're ready to start programming. All right, so now we're in the workout builder. So let's go to today, March 29th, and I'll just create a workout. We'll just do Grace. So you'll see there's a bunch of things we could do. We could have an image, a video, link demonstrating how to do things. Then there's notes. You could do athlete notes like tips or coach's notes. We're just going to leave all that blank for now, and let's just submit the workout. So now we see Grace. It's in kind of a draft state, so we can actually click it around and move it to another day or do whatever it is we want to it. We can add additional workout parts, but let's just for the sake of conversation, we'll say that we're done and we're ready to publish it. So we moved it out of the draft state, and we can see now that the workout is live. From there, now basically we have a nice little dialogue going back and forth, so we can have likes and comments, kind of a Facebook or SugarWOD type workflow here. So you could say great workout, whatever. Other people can come and we can see our scoreboard and just kind of foster community. You could like and comment on the scores as well. So that's kind of the abbreviated version. There's a whole lot more there, but we'll leave it there for now. The other thing is now we want to import our member list. So you can see I have a bunch of sample data. I already have athletes here. So you'll see we have an import athletes button here. So this is going to take in a CSV file. I have a sample readily available, and we can see kind of what that looks like here. But basically, you would make a row for each athlete that you have. It would create a first name, a last name, phone number, address, anything that's interesting, and then the membership UID. The membership UID is actually going to be what membership you're going to give them. So we're actually going to create a membership that you can give. We're going to create a membership that you could give to your athletes. So we're just going to make a free membership. It's a standard membership. It's free. Make it month to month. So I'm kind of running through this quickly here. What we're doing is we're making a month-to-month membership that doesn't cost anything, and this is what we're actually going to import and give to our athletes. So let's just create that real quick. And you'll see we have this nice little hyperlink here. You can link this on your website if you wanted to, or send it in an email. People could sign up. That's one way to do it. That's probably the easiest way. So you already have your members list. You send them an email and you say, hey, sign up for Boxscore, and you send this link here. If they click this link, it brings them to a nice little sign-in form. Bear with me 1 second here. If they clicked the link in the email, they would basically see this nice little sign-up form. So this is autofilling with Google Chrome. But they would say new user. They'd come in here. They'd come in here and they would enter all their information, and then they'd be an athlete in your system. As you can see, it's $0. That's probably the easiest way to do it. The other way you could do it is we could use that comma-separated file that I showed before. So you'd take this membership ID. You would put that right in here. And what would happen is a email would go out to this athlete, delete this row at deleteme.com. It would give them an email, and it would say, here's a login information, it's a username, temporary password, and they could go use that, and they would now be able to access your workouts of the day. So it's pretty straightforward. There's not a whole lot of complexity there. And then there's a whole lot of things we could iterate on top of that, as far as like adding point of sale and analytics and automated emails. But for now, I think that's probably a good place to get started. If you are just trying to launch a program quickly in order to get your athletes to engage, have a strong community, have the strong interaction, and to be able to still bring customer value in a time when you don't have a brick and mortar location. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.